Okay, I'm going to use a mixture of the fantasy paints this time. They've all been stirred. I've got myself a little cup. So I've got some green. That's a clear one. I'm going to use some of the antique gold Prism. I'm going to use some of the Emerald Moon. Some of the Turquoise Prism. And some of the Sky Blue Clear. I wonder if that's going to be enough. Well, let's see what happens when we pour this all out. I quite like doing tree ring pours with these paints. It's rather lovely. I think I might have to do some more of that. I haven't got much room down here. I've got more room up there. Let's move it up there. Right, I'm not going to bother cleaning the cup out because I don't mind if there's odd colours in there. I'm starting with a yellow. Let's have the Veil of Smoke Moon. Let's have some of this bluish pink Prism. And some of the Carmine Moon. I'm going to do a small tree ring pour here. Look at those colours, how rich they are together. Oh, I'm just going to carry on because that is too gorgeous. You can see along this edge here how beautifully that's going, and I love the way this is going in the middle, so I'm just going to leave it all to develop.